Welcome everyone to a 90-second crash course in the Go-To Shell series where we try to cover your questions in under a minute and a half. Reminder, all videos and demonstrations use Bash version 4 as the shell, and with that, here we go. Today's question is, what on earth is a HereDoc and why would I use one? This is a crash course, so I'm going to go through the what it is and how to use it. At the end, I will answer the why it might be useful. Let's start the timer and get going. So as usual, I have a silly script with a bunch of examples. So we'll look at this first block here. You call a program and then use the double less than syntax followed immediately by some name. This can be any name you want as long as there are no spaces in it. I called it my HereDoc. Everything that's in here between this invocation point and this closure point will get piped as the standard input to whatever program you called. So since we're using cat as a dumb example, all this text will be piped to the standard input of cat, which means it will simply be echoed back out to my terminal. Remember, don't put any spaces in it, either before or after, or you will get undefined behavior. In this next example, I'm going to show you that you can set a variable, and you can use variables in here, and you don't have to double quote them, because a HereDoc is, by default, expanded. Interpolation works, expansion works. We proved this here by using a variable inside of this example, where I have my 007 here string. Down here, I have a here kitty kitty one, where I use command substitution, and this works too. Down here, if you ever had variables or command substitution that you wanted to be literal, you can use single or double quotes around your HereDoc name, and these will be interpreted literally. All right. Last example is how to abuse command substitution to get all of this into a variable. I'm not sure why you'd want to, but it does work. Call your subshell, cat your name and all your text into it, and it shows up in var because of command substitution. That's it. Time's up. I'll run it just so you guys can see that I'm not full of crap, and everything that I wanted to have happen happened. All right, guys. Before the thank you, why would you ever use this? You will use it if, very niche situations. If you want to bundle a bunch of data with your program, maybe you're shipping a Slipstream installer, maybe some sort of make script or build script, and you don't want to have to also ship a data script to go with it or something else that it's going to read or a config file to read with it. You might use a HereDoc to purposely hard code some stuff that you want to exist, but it contains new lines and you don't want to have to make it just one gigantic long string inside of a normal variable. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate your time. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know whether or not these are on the right track. Subscribe helps me get these videos out there. If you have any comments or want to see any more examples done, I can try to put some down there, maybe throw some in the annotations. Thanks a lot, guys. Again, have a great day.